Stop. If you skip even 1 second of this video, you are literally risking your funded account being wiped out. We are locking in the final institutional grade filters with Gemini 3.1 Pro to make this 100K prop firm bot bulletproof. Hit that 2,000 like goal, and I'll trade this script live on a 100K account for a brand new series. Don't let your capital burn. Let's build. Before we look at the live trading results, let me show you exactly how we coded this automated trading algorithm. You don't need to be a software engineer to build a profitable bot anymore. We are using Gemini 3.1 Pro, the most advanced AI model available right now, to write this entire PineScript strategy for us. All you have to do is take the base Smart Money Concepts code we built in parts 1 and 2, and give Gemini 3.1 Pro this exact prompt. Add a max overall account drawdown guard to this PineScript to protect my prop firm capital. Paste your code, hit send, and let the AI do the heavy lifting to turn this into a prop firm passing machine. But I want to be completely transparent with you guys. Building an AI trading algorithm isn't always perfect on the very first try. When we dropped our newly generated max drawdown guard into TradingView, the compiler threw a red error. It was a local scope issue with the risk management function. But instead of spending hours manually debugging code, I just took a quick screenshot of the exact error and fed it right back into Gemini 3.1 Pro. The AI instantly realized the risk function needed to be in the global scope, rewrote the code block, and cleared the warnings in seconds. This is how you build an automated trading system today. Error fixed, script compiled perfectly, and our 100K prop firm capital is officially protected. Okay, the code is fixed, our prop firm guard is active, but does it actually make money? Let's look at the real data. I loaded this exact AI trading bot onto the chart and set our initial capital to a standard $100,000 prop firm challenge size. And guys, the results are absolutely insane. Look at this strategy report. In just a short testing period, this automated PineScript strategy generated $15,899 in pure profit. That is a massive 15.9% return. But here's the most important part if you want to pass a prop firm challenge. Look at our max equity drawdown. Most prop firms will instantly terminate your account if you hit an 8% or 10% overall drawdown. Because we used Gemini 3.1 Pro to code a hard-coded equity lock, our maximum drawdown was perfectly capped at just 4.33%, barely scratching $4,800. We kept our account completely safe, secured a 75% win rate, and hit a 4.5 profit factor. No human emotion, no revenge trading, just a flawless Smart Money Concepts algorithm doing exactly what it was programmed to do. But as good as this is, we aren't done. News events can still destroy this bot with crazy slippage. So let's head back to the AI and add our second institutional filter. Our drawdown guard is working flawlessly, but there is still a hidden account killer we have to fix. High-impact macroeconomic news. Events like NFP or CPI data drops can cause massive market slippage and completely destroy an automated PineScript strategy. So we head right back to Gemini 3.1 Pro. To build this next feature, I use this exact prompt. Add a time window news filter and an NFP blocker to this code so my AI trading bot stops trading during volatile news events. I pasted the code, and within seconds, Gemini gave us the upgraded script. When we drop this into TradingView, look at the new settings we have. We can now explicitly block our algorithm from taking any trades between 8:15 a.m. and 8:45 a.m. New York time. We also have a hard-coded toggle that completely shuts down the bot on the first Friday of every month to avoid the non-farm payroll chaos. Let's look at the data. What happens to our 100K prop firm challenge when we activate this filter? The results are beautiful. The algorithm actually blocked one of the trades from our previous test. Our total trades dropped from 12 down to 11, meaning it successfully kept us out of a bad setup. Because of that, our overall profit increased to a massive $16,473. That is a 16% pure return. Our max drawdown stayed perfectly locked at 4.33%, keeping our prop firm capital completely safe. We are holding a 72.7% win rate with a massive 3.68 profit factor. This Smart Money Concepts algorithm is getting insanely precise, but it's still vulnerable to choppy, sideways markets. It's time to add our third institutional layer, Volatility Regime Detection. So, our bot is now dodging news events, but there is another massive trap that destroys even the best Smart Money Concepts algorithm, choppy, sideways markets. If you are trading trendline breakouts, you only want to be in the market when volatility is high and the big money is moving. If the market is asleep, your bot needs to be asleep too. So I went back into Gemini 3.1 Pro and gave it this exact prompt. Add a volatility regime filter using an ATR moving average to this automated PineScript strategy. It should only take trades when volatility is expanding. I pasted our code, and Gemini delivered exactly what we needed. We dropped the updated code into TradingView, and now we have a master switch for volatility. Let's look at the strategy tester and see what happens to our 100K prop firm challenge when we force the bot to only take high volatility setups. Now, pay close attention here, because this is what separates the amateurs from the pros. You might look at this and say, wait, the profit dropped to $6,296. But guys, look at the underlying data. Our total trades plummeted from 11 down to just 7. This AI trading bot became hyper-selective. It completely refused to trade during the sideways chop. And because of that, look at our max equity drawdown. It dropped all the way down to an unbelievable 2.71%. That is less than $3,000 of risk on a $100,000 account. To pass a prop firm challenge, it is not about making the most money. It is about protecting your downside. We still pulled a 6.3% net return with a massive 3.12 profit factor, and our account has never been safer. But we have one final boss to defeat. What happens when a 5-minute breakout looks great, but the 1-hour trend is completely against us? We need to align the timeframes. Let's add the Multi-Timeframe Bias filter. We are at the final stage. Our AI trading bot is already a beast, but there's one last problem to solve: conflicting signals. Sometimes a 1-minute breakout looks perfect, but it's actually just a small bounce inside a massive 15-minute downtrend. Taking that trade is a recipe for disaster. To truly pass a prop firm challenge, you need the big picture on your side. I went back to Gemini 3.1 Pro for the final upgrade. I used this prompt: integrate a multi-timeframe bias filter into this Pine script. The bot should only buy if the price is above the 50 EMA on a 15-minute higher time frame. Gemini instantly refactored the code with the request.security function, making our smart money concepts algorithm smarter than ever. With the code updated, we now have the HTF bias filter. I set it to the 15-minute time frame to ensure every single trade on our 1-minute chart is backed by the medium-term trend. Let's look at the final results for our 100K prop firm account. This is the sweet spot. By aligning our timeframes, we recovered our massive profitability. Our total profit climbed back up to $14,704. That's a 14.7% return. But look at the protection. Even with more trades, our max drawdown stayed perfectly stable at just 4.40%. We secured a 66.67% win rate and a 3.298 profit factor. This is exactly what professional prop firm traders look for: consistent gains with strictly controlled risk. This automated Pine script strategy is now officially ready for the 100K challenge. We started with a basic idea and turned it into a professional-grade AI trading bot using Gemini 3.1 Pro. We added a prop firm guard, a news filter, volatility detection, and multi-timeframe alignment. Whether you are looking to automate your own trading or trying to pass a massive 100K evaluation, this is the blueprint. Building a smart money concepts algorithm doesn't have to be a headache if you have the right AI tools by your side. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This bot is amazing, but I don't want to mess with code or settings. You just want to trade. Well, what if you could just take a screenshot of your chart, upload it, and have an AI expert tell you exactly what to do? Imagine an AI that instantly scans your screenshot and gives you a precise entry point, a safe stop loss, and your take profit targets. It even calculates your risk-to-reward ratio and explains the institutional logic of why you should buy or sell in that exact spot. Think about the value here. If you're executing a $10 trade, you can spend just $1 to have an elite AI verify your entire setup before you hit buy. It's like having a professional hedge fund analyst in your pocket 24/7. I've been testing this platform called ChartMind, and the accuracy is absolute proof that AI is changing the game for retail traders. If you want to skip the coding and get instant professional trade analysis, I've put the link to ChartMind in the description below. Go check out the proof for yourself. It's a total game changer. So, whether you want to build the ultimate automated Pine script strategy with me or use the ChartMind AI shortcut, the tools are finally here for us to win. Don't forget, if we hit that 2,000 like goal, I am launching the live 100K funded account series. The full code for today's bot is in the pinned comment, and the link to ChartMind is in the description. Subscribe to Power of Trading to stay ahead of the markets. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.